What you doing, Cash? Are you playing? Are you playing? Yeah, you're having a good old time. Yeah, you are. Say, I love to discover stuff. Huh. He loves to play. I want him to look up in that mirror because he laughs at himself. It's funny. Did you see yourself? What's up here, Cash? Look. Beautiful little boy. He sees himself. Nope. Who's the baby up here? Who's the baby up here? What are you? What's that face? What's that face? Oh, someone's excited. He sees himself. Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Who's that baby up there, huh, Cash? Who is that? Is that your friend? You think you're cute too, huh? Hi. Oh. Yeah. Oh. My big handsome boy. I'm gonna have to put this on YouTube so everybody can see how big you are. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? You finding stuff? Doing a little discovering, huh? Yeah. Oh. Are those pretty lights? Are those pretty lights? Yeah. Where are you going? Mommy has your diaper hanging out. That's okay, nobody cares. Oh, who's that baby up there? Who's that baby up there? Is that my little cat? Oh, you didn't like that? He's so excited. So excited. He loves his little playmat. He loves his little playmat. So cute. Okay, this is super long. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, good smile, bud. Good smiles for the bye-byes. Who is that baby up there? Are you looking at your baby in the mirror? Are you looking at that baby up there? Okay, bye-bye.